Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you exercise 8.5 question number 7. This question belongs to unitary method. Reading the question, a laborer earns rupees 68,250 rupees in 13 months. Means one laborer can earn 68,250 rupees in 13 months. Now based on this information we have to ask two questions. Number one, how much will he earn in 19 months? How much he will earn in 19 months? So to get the earning in 19 months, we have to find out earning in 1 month. After that, in how many months will he earn rupees 36750? Okay. So first of all, I will solve part 1. So in 13 months he earns rupees 68,250 rupees. Okay, so in 1 month he earns rupees 68,250 will be divided by 13. Okay, so in working area we will divide the number like this way: 68,250, 13 5 is 65, remainder 3, 2, 13 2 is 26, 12 minus 6 it is 6, then 5, 13 5 is 65, and this 0 will continue here. So it is rupees 5250. This is the salary of 1 month. Now after this, moving to the question, how much will he earn in 19 months? In 19 months he earns, we can multiply the given number 5250 multiplied by 19. So working area 5250 multiplied by 19. 9 multiplied by 0 it is 0, 9 5 45, 9 2 is 18, 4 22, 9 5 is 45 plus 2 47. 1 multiplied by 0 gives 0, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 5 is 5. Adding the number 0, 5, 7, 9, 9. So we have 99750. This is the earning in 19 months. Now I will move to the question number second part. You can see in how many months will he earn rupees 36,750. So he earns 68,250 in 13 months. He earns rupees 68,250 in 13 months. So he earns rupees 1 is equal to 13 by 68250. Then amount has been given. He earns rupees, how much it is, 36750. So writing this number like this way. So in the this side we have divided this number. So we had got 13 1 is 13 and 5250. This number has been cancelled. Okay, this 0 has been also cancelled. So in working area we have 525 and 3675. Simplifying this number, how many time it will go? I think 7. 7 5 जा 35, 7 2 जा 14, 14 और 3 17, 7 5 जा 35 plus 1 it is 36. So remainder is 0. So you can see after dividing this number we can say that it is 7. So for earning rupees 36750 he needs 7 months. This is the answer. I hope you have understood. Have a great day. Thank you.